Namaste. Myself Dr. Pushpa Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Homeopathy Pharmacy, Faculty of Homeopathy Science at the Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today the topic is sources of homeopathic medicine and we study the animal kingdom. Let's study. Animal kingdom is divided into several phyta depending upon their cell organization, symmetry, presence or absence of notochord and body cavity. Drugs from the animal kingdom. There the drugs are prepared from the living or dried whole animal with the parts of different secretion and etc. Drugs are also prepared from the venom of poisonous animals as well as the milk or milk products. Some examples are we study like the whole living animal used for the preparation of medicines like Apis mellifica. It is prepared from the live honeybee. Chenopodium glauca. It is the prepared from the lice from Chenopodium. Culex. It is the prepared from the Culex mosquito. Formica rufa. It is prepared from the crushed live ant. Medicine prepared from spider group like Arenia avicularis, Arenia damnia, Lectoductus copito, Tarantula cubinis, Tarantula hypsinus. Medicine prepared from scorpion group like Scorpio europaeus. It is prepared from Bichu, Aurelia medusa. It is prepared from jellyfish, Sangonaria officinalis. It is prepared from the leech, Helix tosta. It is prepared from snail. Medicine prepared from whole dried animals like Blatta americana, Blatta orientalis. It is prepared from American cockroach or Indian cockroach. And medicine prepared from different parts of secretion of animals like skeleton. Uh, Spongia toasta is prepared from roasted sponge, and it is prepared from the red acacia of the fly. Blood. It is the prepared from the king crab of horse food. Medicine name is Geospora americana. Medicine prepared from juices of animals like Meptitis, Murex sepia. Medicine prepared cells of animals like Kilcaria calcinata, Kilcaria ovarum or ovatosta. Medicine prepared from extract of animals like Orchidinum, Ophrynum medicine prepared from the ovine extract of cow or sheep. It is used for the many hormonal disturbance in females. Venom, snake poison. It is obtained by the pressing of poisonous gland, Crotalus horridus. It is prepared from the rattlesnake. Lachesis. It is prepared from the yellow viper. Lachesis trigonosipelis. It is prepared by the surucucu snake. Nada trepidans. It is by prepared for the gokuru snake. Lizard poison. Heloderma horridus gila. It is prepared for the monster of Gila monsters. Spider poison. Lactoductus nocturna is prepared from the black widow spiders. Insect poison. Apium virus bifurina. It is prepared from the poison of toad from the dorsal gland of the toad. Uh, Medicine prepared by milk and milk products like laccan, lactalianum, lactvaccinum, lactafluentum. Medicine prepared from eggs like bombites, barbus flavitis. Next sources is elements or mineral compound. Element substance are that can be split chemically into the simpler substance. The the atoms of the particular elements have the same number of the portion of their nuclei. They include the metals. They include the metal, non-metal, and metalloids. Chemical compound means chemical compound are the substance made of two or more substance bonded together so that can be separated physically. Minerals are natural form inorganic substance with a particular chemical composition in ordered internal structure, either in their perfect crystalline form, otherwise include all the organic or inorganic compounds. Minerals are constituted of rocks. One more general uses in a mineral is any substance economically valuable for mining. Acids, they are compound of having a hydrogen atoms can be replaced by metals. There are some examples like antimony ars, antimony crudum, antimony tart, baryta car, calcarea ars, calcarea car, calcarea phos, and antimony ars, sulfur, natrum eroticum. These are the medicine from mineral kingdom. Next source is sarcos. Definition. In Greek, the term sarcod means fleshy. Sarcod imply protoplasm animals and distinctions from the vegetable protoplasm. They are obtained from the healthy endocrine or ductless glands, secretion of living organs or lower animals. The secretion are the mostly hormones. Hormones are specified substance produced by the endocrine gland or higher animals, which are secreted into the blood, thus carried to all the parts of the body where they regulate many metabolic function of the organism. They are quick acting and only a minute amount have a profound effect on a metabolism. Like examples, and adrenaline, cholesterol, pituitary, insulinum, pepsinum, pituitinum, thyroidinum. Sarcodes belong to the animal kingdom. Some examples are here. The sarcodes from healthy secretion, that is hormones like adrenaline, cortisone, adrenocorticotropic, insulin, pepsin. Sarcodes prepared from extracts like ophrinum, pancreatinum. Sarcodes prepared from the whole endocrine gland like thyroid, posterior pituitary gland, or some sarcodes prepared by the cholesterol pituitary, like prepared from the fresh oxygol bladder. Nosodes. The term nosos is derived from the two Greek words nosos means disease, osteodos means appearance. The treatment of disease by the means of its causal agent or products by the same disease is called nosos. Nosos are medication produced from the disease tissue or disease organ or excretion of living organism and bacterial or viral products. Medicine which are prepared from the disease producing agent, disease products and disease parts of the human being, lower animals or plant are called nosodes. Dr. Dave defines nosode as a morbid product of disease when employed as a remedy. Homeopathy Pharmacopoeia Volume 4 is explain the preparation of nosodes. Some examples are here. Uh, in the plant kingdom, the nosodes are necrotinum. Animal kingdom, the morbid product of found in the belly of sperm whale. The example of medicine is Ambragesia anthracinum. It is prepared from alcohol extract of anthrax poison. Pyroxenum. It is the preparation of the decomposed lean beef. The vaccinum, the preparation from lymph from the cowpox pustule. Diphtherinum, it is the preparation of the diphtheria, secretion of the diphtheria. Influenza, the nosode of influenza. Impondribilia. Definition: it is not weighable. That is a substance which has not perceptible weight. It is immaterial power or energy. Medicine prepared from the energy available from natural or physical reaction are called imponderabilia. Hahnemann observed in his organon of medicine, uh, aphorism 280 footnote, that even imponderabilia agency can produce most violent medicinal effect upon man. Dr. H. W. Allen described then mode of preparation and symptom of his Mathematica of Nozodes. Elizabeth Wright mentioned six such sources of drugs. Her book, A Brief Study of the Courses of Homeopathy. These are two types like natural or artificial sources. Natural sources like normal magnet, north pole of magnet, south pole of magnet. Artificial sources like electricity, sun rays, radium bromide. It is prepared from radium, X-ray. Synthetic source. Synthetic source means where the medicines is harmful for the human body. It is the side effect of the allopathic drugs. They are they are used in the potentized form, or it is called a synthetic drug or totopathy. Examples like aspirin, uh, cortisone, histamine, etc. Hope you understand the sources of drugs. Namaste.